Assalamu alaikum. Hey, are you interested in knowing how you can toggle between different screen views of Microsoft Excel? Do you want to know how you can change your screen views? One purposely for viewing and another one in case you want to do some work. If you want to know how you can change or shift between different screen modes in Microsoft Excel, please join me. Okay, so are you a Nyominka who does not know about computers? Are you someone who is easily panicked? If you are faced with a situation like this, like the workbook or the worksheet that I have in front of me, does this look like a Microsoft Excel worksheet or is it a Word document? Okay, the answer is it is a Microsoft Excel worksheet looking differently because of the change of the view. Okay, so I'll take you through how you can change from one view to the other on your Excel worksheet. Okay, so like I said, this view is of course a very nice view for presentation, and surprisingly, it is a Microsoft Excel file. Okay, so how do I change from this view to a view that will allow me to be able to work? For example, if I come here, I can click, of course. Once you click, you can move from one place to the other. You will know that this is definitely a Microsoft file because it has got cells that you can move. Microsoft Word does not have this facility. Okay, but if I click on it, I'm not able to see my formula. So I won't be able to know whether the formula that I have on this cell here is correct or not. Okay, so how do we turn back to the edit view? And then, of course, how do we come back to this very nice looking view? Okay, so first I will exit this view. So I just come here, I click on the three dots. Okay, after clicking on the three dots, I will come and change the display mode. Okay, so I'm going to say always show ribbon. Okay, so that my ribbon will be shown. Ribbon, for your information, is the placeholder for the Excel menus. Okay, like the file menu, the home menu, and so on and so on. That's what we call the ribbon. Okay, so now I want to change the view. Simply, I go to a menu called View. Okay, so I go to a menu called View. There is a sub-menu called Show. So I click on Show. Then I click Back, Grid Lines. I check back Formula Bar, and I check back Headings. Now look at it. My screen looks different altogether. Now, if I click on any of the cell, whatever the content of the cell will display on the formula bar. This is what is called a formula bar. Okay. If I click on the numbers, it's going to appear on the formula bar. If I click on any text cell, it will display on the formula bar. But if I click on a cell that has got a formula, okay, like this one, the content of the cell will not display, but instead a formula bar will display. And this is the reason why it is called a formula bar. Can you see? Once I hover my mouse, it says formula bar. Okay, so this is the normal view, and this is the view that you can use to work. But now, like I said, if you want to turn back to where I was before, simply go back to the view menu, click on the show menu, and then uncheck the grid line so that you see all the grid lines have disappeared. Uncheck the formula bar. You see the formula bar has disappeared. And look at the headings. The headings are still appearing. Uncheck the headings. See, the headings have also disappeared. And now you have a very nice looking spreadsheet, usually palatable for presentation. Okay. I hope you like this short video on how we can toggle between different screens. Okay, so as always, if you want to learn more, of course, do not hesitate to join us. Of course, you can contact us on these numbers. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye.